static ads versus carousel ads, which one works best for your campaign? Alin nga ba or saan nga ba magandang mag-invest? Let's break down their differences so you can make the best choice for your Facebook and Instagram. Promote ka ng product or service online. Dalawang popular ad format yung pwede mong pagpilian, the single image and the carousel. Okay? So, static ads is yung single image ad natin and the carousel ads is yung multiple image na pwedeng nakalagay dito. Kasi kapag carousel, you can also add video card. So, magkaibang metrics yung magdidictate kung alin yung mag-work sa best sa campaign mo. Let's compare it. One of the biggest perks ng carousel ads is the higher engagement. Since you can showcase multiple images o kaya videos in one ad, yung mga users tend to interact more. Diba? Kasi nagsa-swipe-swipe or kiniklik-click nila yung sumunod na mga images and video. With a 1% click-through rate or 0.1% for static ads, this means yung carousel ads can get your audience clicking more, making it as a great option if you want to maximize traffic. Kasi dito, isa lang eh. Pero kung ito, syempre, ang dami niya mapipindot, diba? So, yung versatility and storytelling kasi ng carousel ads is great for showing off different products. Each card, ito yung card, can have its own link. For example, this one is a necklace. So you can add a link directly dun sa product link na yun, diba? And a call to action. So you can, ito, bracelet, another bracelet for purple bracelet yung ilalagay mo dito. Diba? Each card can have its own link and call to action. You can guide your audience through a narrative or highlight key features of your product. Makikita mo dito, you can have this, for example, this orange necklace or purple bracelet. Then it's very fun to swipe, diba? Which makes it more engaging. Sa budget side, carousel ads are also more cost efficient. They typically have a 30 to 50% lower cost per conversion and 20 to 30% lower cost per click than the static ads. But we'll see kasi depende yan sa business, no? So if you're working with a tight budget tapos gusto mong mapakita yung mga products mo or you have multiple products and you want a good performance, carousel ads are a solid choice. Then for the static ads, so ito yun, diba? It's better average performance on Facebook. Kasi Facebook static ads can actually outperform carousel ads, especially if you're running campaigns that blend in with organic posts since they look less like ads. Parang organic lang siya kasi ito, bibihira naman talaga na may ganitong, di ba, post sa Facebook. Since they look less like ads, users might engage more naturally with them dahil static lang siya. Yung simplicity and the clarity, kung gusto mo ng simple, clear message, without all the frills, like static ads are the way to go. So they're easy to digest kasi isa lang to and won't overwhelm the audience na tina-target mo with too much information. This is very perfect if you want to direct all call to action in just a specific product page o kaya naman collection page. And kung ayaw mo mag-complicate ng mga bagay-bagay for your audience, then this will be the very best format na pwede mong itest. Platform differences naman ito is, sa Instagram, yung carousel ads kasi generally work better. Ito is preview kasi ito ng Facebook ad. The format fits very well with how people use the platform. Kung mapapansin nyo, ito, pag pumunta tayo, ito kasi yung itsura niya kapag carousel. Ayan. So, ito, kung mara ito, saktong-sakto is this sponsored ad. So, automatic makikita mo yun ng kaganyan siya, diba? Unlike dun sa pinakita ko, sa Facebook kasi ganito. So, the format fits very well with how people use the platform. You know, swiping through posts, diba? It feels more native and engaging, making it easier to users to interact. Yan. Naka-ano kasi ako, naka-desktop. So, mas okay siyang tingnan sa mobile. Now, sa Facebook on the other hand, Facebook users tend to engage more with static ads dahil they blend better with organic posts. Kasi, di ba, ganito lang siya eh. Nakaka-capture nyo yung isang buong screen. Like, they blend in better with organic posts which makes them more seamless and less in your face compared to carousel ads. So, yung conclusion ko when it comes to this is carousel ads are typically the better choice if you want to boost engagement and traffic, especially kapag sa Instagram. Mostly, audience mo is nasa Instagram and they were swiping through images which is very common. They offer versatility and great storytelling potential. However, for campaigns na kailangan mo ng clarity and simplicity, particularly sa Facebook, then static ads can still perform well. Tingnan natin yung result. This one is single image ad, okay? And mostly, sa data na napansin ko is sa Facebook lahat halos na outperform nitong sa Facebook yung audience ng client na to. And their average ROAS dito is 3.14. That means that's single image yung nag-work kay client dito sa single image versus carousel ad. Kasi kung makikita natin dito, 2.38 lang siya. And hindi pala nakita lahat. So,
Cost per purchase is way higher dun sa carousel ads, 53, konti lang naman. Mostly carousel yung naging or ni-run namin dito. Pero kung ROAS-wise or return on investment, better ang sa client na 'to since may multiple images siya, marami siyang pinapakita, marami siyang creatives na pinapa-test. Then madalas namin when we tested single image, mostly sa Facebook, ayan, maganda yung naging result. So yung bottom line dito is the best ad format really depends on your campaign goal, tsaka yung target audience mo, and kung saan mo ira-run yung ad. So, it's always a good idea to test both and see which one works better for you. Now, ano ba? Nag-try ka na ba ng carousel ads or static ads for your campaigns? Ano sa tingin mo yung mas effective? So, sabihin nyo dito sa comments below. Subscribe if you would like to see more tips